Hello students, welcome back. In previous class we are discussing operators in C. In that we discussed unary operators. In that we only discussed two types of unary operators. Today we can start with bitwise operator. Before going to start bitwise operators, we can glance all those previous discussions. Actually, C provides a rich set of operators. They may operate on a single operand or a two operands. It means multiple operands. They are used to perform some basic arithmetic operators, comparisons, or a manipulation of a bits, and so on. C operators broadly classified into three main types: unary operator, binary operator, and ternary operator. Again, the unary operator can classified into subtypes: unary minus, logical not operator, and bitwise complementation. Unary operators are operators that acts upon only one operand. Unary operators are operators that acts on only a single operand is known as unary operators. Unary operators can act or perform only a single operand. And again, unary operators can classified into a unary minus, logical not operator, and bitwise complementation. First, we can see unary minus. Unary minus means any positive operands associated with a unary minus get a negative value. Any positive operands associated with the unary minus symbol, it means minus symbol, it get the minus value only. In previous session we saw the example, let a equal to b and a equal to 3 and b equal to 4. Then we have to calculate c equal to a plus minus of b. It means 3 plus of minus 4 means the result will be minus 1. Plus 3 plus minus 4 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತ್ರಿ minus 1 ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂನರಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಪರೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಯೂನರಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಾಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಪರೆಂಡಿಗೆ ಯೂನರಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಾಲ್ ನಾವು ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂನರಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂತ. Again, second one is logical not operator. For this logical not operator, we discuss logical operator. Logical operators are classified into three types: logical and, logical or, and logical not. Logical and is used to perform the adding operation on two logical operands. And logical operators, logical and operators perform multiplication operation. Logical and perform multiplication. Logical or perform addition. Logical not perform complement or inverse of a given operand. Logical and perform multiplication. Logical or perform addition, logical not perform complement or inverse of a given operand. These are the types of logical operators. This logical operators concept you already studied in your previous semester. Those concepts only discussed here. While writing the C program, we use logical operators also. This is the brief introduction or a brief discussion on yesterday's class. In today's class, we are going to start bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are the operators all the data types stored in a computer's memory as a sequence of bits. Bitwise operator means all the data items stored in a computer memory as a sequence of bits. Every information or every data or every file in a stored in a computer memory in a bits. You already know this. Bits means zeros and ones. C provide 6 bitwise operators. These operators works with the int and char data type. Bitwise operators work with the or operates with the int and char data type. They cannot be used with a float. Bitwise operators are the operators which works with int and char data type and cannot be used with a float. Here some bitwise operators are there. First one, ampersand. This is the operator symbol. This is the name and this is the meaning. And means ampersand. It is bitwise and. Slash means or a pipeline means bitwise or. Caret means exclusive or. Tilde means one's complement. Double less than means left shifting bit. Double greater than means right shifting bits. These are some bitwise operators we use while writing the programs. Ampersand means bitwise and. Pipeline means bitwise or. Caret means exclusive or. Tilde means one's complement. Double less than means left shifting of bits. Double greater than means right shifting of bits. These are some symbols of bitwise operators and their meaning. Next is bitwise complement operator. Still now you saw the bitwise operators, but here bitwise complement operator. Complement means opposite of that bitwise operators. This is used to obtain the ones complement of binary sequence. Bitwise complement operator is used to obtain the ones complement of binary sequence. This means that each 0 in binary sequence gets changed to 1 and each 1 gets changed to 0 during the bitwise complementation. Here example is there. A value assigned with a 10 and its binary value is 1010. Then B equal to bitwise of A. It means this symbol is used to bitwise complementation. This bitwise complementation 1010, this is the binary form of 10 that is converted with a 0101, which is one's complement of 10. It means is 0 turned into 1 and 1 turned into 0. This is the concept of bitwise complement operator. Each binary value can be converted into 1's complement. This means 0 is get changed into 1 and 1 get changed to 0 during the bitwise complementation operation. 0 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 1 ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, 1 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 0 ಆಗ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಬೈನರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 10 ಐತ್ರಿ, 10ದ ಬೈನರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1010 ಐತಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ವೈಸ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1010 ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0101 ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, which is in the 1's complement of 10. This is the concept of bitwise complement operators. Next one is binary operators. These binary operators acts upon two operands, hence the name binary operators. Still now we discussed unary operators. Unary operators can perform only single value, but here binary operator perform on a two values, hence the name binary operators. The binary operators are further classified into a four types. First one is arithmetic operator, logical operator, relational operator and bitwise operator. But now we already discussed logical operator in a unary section and also bitwise operator in a unary section, because for bitwise complementation and logical not operator, which are the sub part of unary operators, while discussing unary operators we discuss these bitwise operators and logical operators. Now we have to discuss arithmetic operators and relational operators. First we can start arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform the basic arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. C language does not provide an exclusive exponential operators. This can be performed by the power of which is the library function. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ರಿ, 2^2, 2^3, ಅದನ್ನು ಪವರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಿಂದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ದ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ added to the list of arithmetic operators. It is used to find the remainder after the integer division. The modulus operators is used to perform arithmetic operators. It is used to find the remainder after the an integer division. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಏನು ಉಳಿತೈತಲ್ರಿ, ಆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಪ್ರೇಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ನಾವು ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಏನು ಉಳಿತೈತಲ್ರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. Here some arithmetic operations and their symbols are there. For first one, for addition plus symbol, for subtraction minus, multiplication asterisk, division forward slash, for modulus percentage. In a programming language, for these symbols we can call it as, this we call it as modulus, this we call it as division, this we call it as multiplication, this we call it as subtraction symbol, for this we call it as addition symbol. These are some arithmetic operations and their symbols. Here some assignment questions are there. What is bitwise operators, explain bitwise operators in C, explain bitwise complement operator in C, list all the binary operators, explain arithmetic operator in C, write all the assignment question neatly and send it to me. Thank you.